Respected teacher and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. And my team name is Race Royals and I am supporting the love marriages.
Good morning teacher and good morning my dear friends. Today I am here to present a debate about love marriages versus arranged marriages. I am about the arranged marriages and my team name is No Lazy Version. Bhavana, let me start our debate with a small and very important question for our life. Which marriage do you prefer to your life?
Love marriages.
Can you say why love marriage is very important for us?
Because instead of marriages, we understand each other and we have a good command with each other and we can lead a happy life.
Okay. I will say one thing. Before the arranged marriages, there are any separate engagement is there, you know that. After that engagement and before that arranged marriages, in this time of this, both the bride and groom, both are getting towards attract each other to know about themselves. Then in this time also they are going to love, they are going to happy. And in my view, arranged marriages are more probably very important than love marriages. Because
no way, they can.
Once. Because in the arranged marriages, every day is like a heaven.
How can you say that it's heaven?
I saw so many people.
Arranged marriage is only heaven.
Yeah, arranged marriage is only heaven. That's what I am saying. That is why I am saying. From generation back, I am seeing so many of generations. And nowadays, so many people. Even my friends also going. I have so many friends. I asked them also for this question, for this debate only.
We do have so many friends like that. And they do accept that love marriages are good.
Okay, just let me answer the question first. We answer so many members, but they are saying only 20% only for the love marriages and 80% of the arranged marriages. Because in the arranged marriages, if any deputations or anything happens, the parents or the grandparents or all the relatives from the brides and the grooms are comes to solve our problem. But in the love marriages, the only friends only play a key role, because so many love marriages in movies, in the real, we are seeing that only they are going out of the families and going to marry, and they are up to 2 years or 3 years, up to having a baby, they are happy. After that they are getting so many of disputes they are getting. After that they are realizing that on that day we should listen to our parents, that we will be very happy. And now today I did a mistake about this person or this girl, okay, now we should realize and they are going to divorce. So this is very important aspect, in so many realize lives I saw. And even if we see the news also, so many, even love marriages, after love marriages they are going very unyieldingly very for this one. And according to the 2013 survey, so many love marriages are going for the divorce cases. And let me give you that survey also. In 2013, arranged marriages, 90 to 95% of arranged marriages are having a beautiful life in there, and love marriage only 20 to 25 in anti only recently given 20 to 25% only they are happy, it seems.
I will not accept that. And in love marriage understanding, but in arranged marriages there will be not that much understanding. In love marriage we have understanding, and after marriage we can plan for the future. And in this arranged marriages we have to always do each other to understand the future life.
Then there will be enthusiasm to know about the partner.
Before though we can have the enthusiasm to learn of the partner. We can make them and we know the characters and styles and behavior, and we can compromise with each other.
For example, if we live with our mother, she knows everything about us and she brings the match for us and we will marry. Because they know everything about us and our tastes and qualities. So they bring the good marriage for us.
As a parents, they don't know totally about the student or the children, because we totally staying in our college up to evening and we are going to night till night in staying there. How can they know total behavior of your lives? They may don't know.
About 90% of divorce cases are love marriages only. and the love marriages make the lover happy and arranged marriages make the family
I will not
happy.
accept that. That is a false statement. Only love marriages are very great now.
No.
No.
Arranged marriages are great.
In arranged marriages, they will plan for the future, but no true love. But in love marriages, we'll match with love, with not planning.
When compared when compared to arranged marriage and love marriages, in arranged marriages there was less understanding between couples. In love marriages they understand each other and then they marry.
Okay. For understanding both sides only, from generation back onwards, our parents are arranging the honeymoon for us. For that only, for understanding to know about each other, to spend personally and to know about themselves, they are using this one. So, in my view and in total India view, India is the name for the arranged marriages. In 1900s, 2000, 21st century, 22nd century also. Okay? Arranged marriages are heaven. Just and give you, let me another example also. We are seeing okay, that is one of the example. And you see so many arranged marriages and love marriages. Okay, in your relatives, how many arranged marriages are there and love marriages are there?
In my relation, maximum love marriages only. Even my father, mother also love marriages. My brother also love marriage. So,
Okay, the best of luck for your love marriage also.
If girls love someone,
she was telling about when girls love someone, if her parents do not agree, then they marry to another boy. How can she happy with that boy? When in her heart he was with another boy, but when compared in his life he was with another boy. How can he be happy? I want to tell you about that. When one girl loves another boy, but her parents do not agree with the marriage with that boy, so they marry with another boy. When in her heart that boy was there, but he was married with another boy, so he cannot be happy with her.
After some days they will adjust.
How?
In love marriage,
through love marriages, we can reduce so many of the social finances like dowry system and caste system and some family codes which mutual understanding with each other. How can you say that the love marriage is false?
in love marriages, they are acting.
How can you say that they are acting? In arranged marriages, they are acting that they understand with each other and then going on.
In arranged marriage, they are understanding each other.
In arranged marriages, they have to adjust with each other. If others does not like it, we have to always compromise and we have to lead the life. In love marriages, they can understand. We can share the works and we have in love marriages we have the equal priority. In arranged marriages, men have the higher priority, women have the lower priority. They will maintain like that.
Okay. In love marriage, if any problems happen to them,
Due to the sake of love, they can adjust and they can mingle with each other.
if all the adjusting means why divorce is coming from love marriages?
That's somewhat of case. But we have to see that what is the positive things in marriages. In love marriages, we have so many positive points.
Okay. When compared to arranged marriages, if any problems happen in between them, the parents will come and they will solve.
Before marriage only, they have a good understanding. If there is anything, and they can adjust.
Who is responsible for understanding?
They two are responsible to understand.
If they are not understanding means,
They can understand.
no, why? Then why divorces are coming from love marriages?
Then someone can leave aside of that. Divorce will come in the arranged marriages too. In love marriages, they can understand each other and they can